Okay, one of the first things we are looking to do is we have gone ahead and logged into the Joomla, and we've gone ahead and said, hey, let's go to the Miho shop, and I want to go to categories. Actually, let's go ahead and go to dashboard right quick. And what we're looking for is to go ahead and add in a new manufacturer. And right now you have ARE, Gasket Innovations, and RW Costner. So we'll go ahead and go in here, we'll insert, and we'll go ahead and do manufacturer name, Knee House Restoration, NRP. And we currently don't have a logo. Actually, I guess we do. I don't have it put in there yet. So I'll go ahead and get that. I'll put that in later. So I'll go ahead and hit save. Mainly what I wanted to do was go ahead and simply record this, show it, and then add in a product and how to easily go ahead and add in categories, manufacturers, and even products. So go ahead and go into category. We want to go ahead and do TR4 parts for this particular one I'm trying to do. TR4, go to TR4 parts. And one thing you'll notice is that the meta tag description, the meta tag keywords, this is going to help set the category, the manufacturer, and even the products. Whenever you input this information, that's going to show up for Google to say, is this valid? Is it not? And when somebody types in TR4 parts, it's going to help basically say, hey, these people know what they're talking about, and it's going to give you a much better shot at actually having a higher ranking. So go ahead and just double check, make sure everything's set right. So, okay, let's save and close. And now to what you were asking originally was the products. Go ahead and go in here. Here's all you have currently. You'll notice you have your product name, the model, which is something you probably might want to double check to make sure that you don't have multiple items that have the same number or name. Like here, 105 has BMC A stock, and 115 has BMAC or BMC A stock. When you actually sell something, you probably are going to end up getting the model. You might want to go through and actually change it, unless it's the exact same part that you're sending. So let's go ahead and go into insert, and what we'll do is we'll go ahead and pop in the title or the product name, and then we'll go ahead and do the alias. That's going to be your product code. That's how it's separated. I'm not. Sometimes you can put a different description in. What I'm going to go ahead and do is throw one in right there, right quick. We'll go ahead and go to data. Your model is going to be that product code again. And even then, you have your universal UPC, but you don't have one that I know of. And then your price of what you're going to sell it for. Here you have your tax class if you want to change it, say it's taxable or not. Your quantity. It's set up so that if you wanted to have 100 quality or quantity or whatever, every time somebody buys one, it goes ahead and deducts it from your stock. And then when you're actually out, you're going to go ahead and get a out of stock. And it's going to go ahead and give you and say, hey, we're out, you can't buy it. Okay, here's going to be the image of what you're going to see on your site. Here's what we're looking for. We're pulling up the image manager right now. And we're going to a new folder. What I'm going to go ahead and do new folder, type in TR4 parts, hit submit. Now you'll see that its directory has been created. Go ahead and do TR4 parts. Now we need to upload. Here's your other TR4 stuff. We'll go in here, and now go ahead and let's go ahead and do that again. So we'll go to upload, find where the part pictures are, and then you just double click and it starts uploading them. And then once it's uploaded, you can actually go through and actually use the images. So we'll go ahead and go there. Get the last one. Okay. We have 5. And then this is going to be, this particular location is going to be the front image. So we'll go ahead and click on, double click on the one we want. You can put in the dimensions if you want. Let's go ahead and go to links. Here's manufacturer. Here's where we're going to put the knee house. So if they click on knee house, that's what comes up. Category is going to be TR4 parts. Apparently it does not want to pull up, which it will eventually. Okay, it's just taking a little more time since I'm doing multiple things on my computer at once. Okay. Now we'll want to go ahead and go into images. Now that we have the categories in here, it's already set. Knee house restoration. Let's go to images. We'll add an image. Hit browse. Go back to the little plus sign next to the image. Hit TR4 parts. And since we've already used the initial one, we want to go ahead and click on the other ones. We've already used the one on the very front. And then it's just continuing to go back and say that we want to use all 4 images. Okay. Okay, we'll go ahead and hit save and close because we are done with that. Now we'll go ahead and go to a new window and check it out right quick. We'll go ahead and click on latest parts, and as you see, what we just uploaded is now officially ready to be bought on your store. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and you can easily see we can change the different items. Alrighty, well, let me know if you have any more questions, and hopefully this might be able to help you out as far as uploading and actually putting a product on the website.